What's the deal, crypto fanatics? Are we about to see some fireworks or are we stuck in the mud? Let me tell you, the market's at a real turning point today, especially for the big players. Ethereum, the king of smart contracts, has been in what we call a chop for the past 2 months. What's a chop, you ask? It's when the price just bounces around in a tight range, not really committing to a big move up or down. It's like it's trying to make up its mind, you know? Right now, ETH is nearing a critical decision point. We're talking about key levels here. If it breaks above $3,600, we could see a strong push towards $4,000 and beyond. But if it dips below $3,400, well, it could head back down to $3,000. So keep your eyes peeled because a big move is brewing. This is not financial advice. Now let's talk about Solana, SOL, which made a ton of noise last year with its crazy run, is also at a very critical juncture. Its next big move really hinges on some important data. We're looking at things like how many people are actually using the network, how many developers are building on it, and its specific price levels. There's a strong resistance around $170 to $180 that it needs to smash through. On the flip side, support sits around $140 to $150. If it can't hold that, things could get a little dicey. Its rise depends on showing continued strength in these key areas. This is not financial advice. But zooming out a bit, when you look at Ethereum, the long-term picture is looking real good. Many experts are saying that this year, Ethereum is going to cement its place as the undisputed champ of digital assets. We're talking about its massive ecosystem, all the decentralized finance, the NFTs, the layer 2 solutions that make it faster and cheaper to use. Plus, with all the ongoing upgrades, it's just getting stronger. Ethereum is the backbone for so much of what's happening in crypto, and that foundational importance is expected to drive its dominance even further. It's not just about today's price action, it's about the bigger picture, the infrastructure, the future. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.